It's a bit rainy.
I know, right? Wet and muddy.
Today we are going to... Oh, I don't have a microphone. Today we're going to see the pumpkin patch.
Are you ready?
What do you think of the lip colour?
It's Hitchin Lavendar, right?
Yeah, last time we went it looked like this. And then this time it's going to be all pumpkin themed.
Yeah.
This is everything I used on my face for makeup. And we're ready to go. This is the weather we have to deal with today.
Embrace the weather. We're in the UK anyway, so you know, it's always gonna be like this.
We've made it to the pumpkin patch. That was actually really scary. Tell them what happened.
We were stuck in the mud in the middle of the parking lot.
You don't understand how wet and muggy it is. And yeah, we'll show you.
Yeah.
Sonia needs a raincoat. It's so wet. That over there is where the pumpkin patch is. This is actually true British weather.
Yeah.
At its finest. I'm gonna slip. Very muddy. This is where all the beautiful lavender is. They're all growing. We took some amazing pictures here, so... And it was really pretty. So check out Hitchin Lavendar when it's summer. Oh, it says, break it, you buy it.
Oh shit, I nearly stepped on this one too.
This is my new friend. This is the pumpkin patch.
Yeah.
Out of all the pumpkins that we're going to choose from, I choose this one. I think this is the right
It's
size.
nice. Oh wait.
Or maybe not.
No, not this one. It's either this one.
This one?
Yeah.
The little baby one.
Oh.
This is actually really nice.
So that one is alright. This one. So nice.
Chosen one.
We could carve this one. So out of baby pumpkin. They got like cross and stuff. Hi. You got this one, yeah. Thank you. Okay, bye. So this is the... Wow. Nice. That's quite cute. Thank you.
Cheers.
It's like a tangerine.
Then our big one.
I'll get a carve that.
Yeah, let's carve it.
Yeah.
I wonder how it's going to turn out though.
Chun-Li.
What's your overall thoughts of the pumpkin patch?
It's actually not that bad.
It's quite cozy in here.
Last time we've been here was the lavender one. Now pumpkin.
Pumpkin patch.
What's gonna be the next one?
Do they have another theme?
I don't know.
I wonder if they have something for Christmas.
Probably like sunflower.
Oh, they had sunflower
Sunflower
after
one.
the lavender.
How much did this cost us? £5? All of them?
This was £5.50, like for all three. And then we can make pumpkin soup later.
Uh-huh. Let's warm up because it's really cold outside. Ooh, you can see you're smoking.
Smoky, smoky.
Yeah, look at that. Oh.
Ooh. Now let's take this pumpkin home with us. And I'm going to show you a recipe that I love making during the autumn season. It's giving comforting, warm, cozy, nourishing, soothing, rich, velvety. I have to say though that the first part of this recipe, it does take quite a bit of manpower. But what better way to make this recipe is with a partner. So today I'm going to teach you how to make pumpkin soup. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe and stay cozy this autumn. And if you make this soup, do let me know in the comments down below.